Good morning, everyone. This is Liz Costanzo from Headquarters here to do the Red Scare portion of our learning experience with you today. The Red Scare combines learning from the previous quarterly professional learning in a format that our students will experience on the literacy end of year assessment, which incorporates historical documents and social studies texts where students will apply their historical thinking skills. And these texts are both primary and secondary sources. The Red Scare is a 90-minute learning experience appropriate for students in grades 6 through 12. The standard utilized in this activity is our grade level content and practice standards. The video will guide you through the experience. Just in case you're having some issues with your computer, the instructions for this part of the learning experience are included in Schoology. So just in case your video doesn't work, you can just follow along with the instructions, but the video I think will make it more exciting for you. So anyway, you guys, welcome to this professional learning, and let's go ahead and get started. The compelling question for the Red Scare is, was the post-World War II communist threat real? The compelling question today, we're going to respond to this compelling question utilizing a questioning the question strategy. So click on the link for the Google spreadsheet in Schoology and then take a minute to write down 3 questions that this question, was the post-World War II communist threat real, raises for you. The Google spreadsheet looks like this. You're going to type in your first name, your district, your school, your district, and then your 3 questions. The blue part is for later on. Once you're done with this video, you're going to hit stop, you're going to complete the assignment, and then you'll click on next at the top of the Schoology screen to move into the next part of our learning experience. Thanks.